How to fix Chrome mobile not loading pages on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Chrome mobile not loading pages on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and, and you will find Chrome. Click on it and then click force stop here and go to permissions, enable storage, click on it and click allow if you want to enable it, and then go to storage here and click clear cache. And now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here, click manage storage and click clear all data and click ok, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.